Okay, so we're live. Welcome to our Pacific Rim US stand-up. So today with me, Patrick and Vijaya. So, Patrick, shoot.
Yeah, not a lot to report today. I did have a morning stand-up, but nobody showed up. I knew Tongwei said she wasn't going to be able to make it, but anyway, and Laura let me know as well. But I had prepped for it, so that's okay. I answered some questions from Arun and from Laura on their respective stories. I created a PR, a trivial one, to just sort agency branches when we're editing the agency, or the agency person. And I reviewed Vijaya's code on Pundit, made some recommended changes, and that was it for me.
Okay, good. Any Walker?
Nope.
No? Okay. So, Vijaya.
Yeah, I fixed the policy inspectors, some of them yesterday I wrote notice, and then I updated the branch controller and I fixed the uh, branch controller inspectors, except the menu and create everything is first and new and create some of the steps are filled, and I share my code to Patrick. Patrick fixed the code. No block.
Okay, cool. Um, so me. Uh, so this morning I've been doing some coffee script for the bot. I think I created a PR, so it should be ready for the notifications on the from Sentry. So when they merge it, we should be good. Another thing that I did today was what? I've been trying to correct the problem that we're facing on development because of the migrations. And I'm seriously thinking in changing our development environment to stop using SQLite and start using Postgre. But I have to think a little bit more about that, but I believe we'll have to change. And I think today that was all. Yeah. Oh, I also merged some PRs today, this morning, and reviewed some PRs. Yeah.
What problem are we having with Postgres on the migrations?
Not all migrations on SQLite work in Postgre. So what happened was that one migration that changed the column type just breaks Postgres. So you cannot do that migration, so the code is not correct on development. So I am considering changing it, despite the fact that I don't like it much. I prefer to keep simple on SQLite, but as these problems are starting to rise, I think it's time for us to change to Postgre. It's going to be a bump there, but maybe for next spring, that's something that we'll need to do.
I would have thought Rails would handle the differences in underlying database from standard migration code. That's surprising.
They do, but there are things that they do not. So, for example, it should work. The migrations work more or less if the tables are empty or if nothing happened to the table. But if the table, so for example, the migration that broke everything was a migration that converted text into the status of the job from text to an integer.
Yeah.
This change was done completely incorrectly. I just realized now that previously we were saving the string like active, inactive, or whatever, and there is no single piece of code that handles that. So if you have jobs on your table, change it to an integer. I'm not quite sure how that works. So maybe SQLite just breaks everything. It just recreates the table. But for Postgres, it doesn't work. So you need to add some special fields, and then you need to remove the default because the default is not it's not convertible into an integer. And 1 hour of my time spent because of this. So that's it. Okay, so anything else?
I don't think so.
Okay, from my side, there's nothing else. So if no one has any questions nor anything they'd like to point out, have a nice weekend.
Okay, you too. Yep. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.